So I received the Fuzzy Logic game as a gift, and I really like it. I'm always searching for a game for my grandkids or even just a group of adults to play. It really makes it nice. It comes with a little squeegee, and then it comes with 500 cards with 1,000 target words. So I love this. So you're going to have two teams. One's X and one's O. And you're going to pick one that's going to be giving the target words, and then one that's going to be a guesser. So these are similar in words. Really makes it nice that they're really similar, but you can't give out the too much of the information because the other opponent will find out what it is. And once they do know the answer, they're going to grab this and then they can answer the question. Now, the twist on this, which I really like, is if they grab this and they give the answer and it's wrong, they don't get the point. The other team gets the point. So really, I like that because so many times I have my grandsons, they're always guessing it, and a lot of times they're wrong. So this is going to help them just be a little bit more patient, because if they don't get the answer right, we're going to get the other point. So really fun game. I really recommend it. It's really easy to follow the directions. The great thing too, the seller has a great video online, and it shows exactly how to play this, which I watched multiple times, but it's super easy to get the hang of it, and I know you'll love it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.